In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage smart lists in GoHighLevel fast. We'll move from a blank slate to a clean, auto-updating list you can use for outreach, reporting, and quick follow-up. A smart list is basically a saved view of your contacts that updates itself based on rules you choose, so you never have to rebuild the same filter again. Start by logging into your GoHighLevel account and heading to your main dashboard. From there, go to the Contacts area. This is your home base for people records, and it's where smart lists live. Along the top of your contacts table, look for the option to add a smart list and click it. This opens a panel where you'll define and save your list. Give your new list a clear name. In this example, call it Uncontacted Leads. Descriptive names help your team instantly understand the purpose of the list, and they make it easier to keep things organized as you create more segments. Next, open Advanced Filters. This is where you'll decide exactly who belongs in the list. Filters can be combined to include or exclude people based on fields like tags, life cycle stages, activities, and dates. Be mindful of the logic you use. Conditions typically stack with and or, so a quick double-check here prevents empty or overly broad lists later. Choose the created filter. This filter looks at the date a contact was added to your account, which is ideal when you want to track new leads entering your system. It's different from activity-based filters like last replied or last updated, which focus on engagement or changes rather than the original creation date. For the time frame, pick this month. This is a dynamic range, so it automatically rolls forward as the calendar changes. That means your smart list will always show leads created in the current month without you having to update anything. If your account uses a specific time zone, remember that date-based filters respect that setting. Click Apply to preview your results. This is a great moment to confirm the list size and spot-check a few records. If you don't see what you expect, adjust the filter criteria before saving. When everything looks right, click Create to save your smart list. You'll now see it alongside your other views and contacts, ready to open anytime. If your process evolves, you can return to the filters, make changes, and the list will refresh automatically. That's it. Log in, go to Contacts, add a smart list, name it clearly, set your filters to Created within this month, apply, and create. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more.